Welcome back to Spinning the Past. Welcome back to Spinning the Past. I just want to show you, let's see, kind of the start and then how to get long line flax. There's long line flax. So I started here. These were pulled, put in a water, and they were retted, but they're not broken. I'm gonna sell them as is so people can practice with it. Then when it went through the break and I went through the hackles, this is what's left over. This is what I call kind of fire starter. Bundled it. I'm gonna sell it as fire starter. It's got a lot of chaff in it. It's really kind of ratty, so I'm not gonna bother working with it. This one is a bit nicer. This is what I call tow, T-O-W. So that's gone through one of the finer hackles, and then from this is not just, this is the finest hackle. This is the rough hackle. This is the finest hackle, and that's the leftover from the finest hackle. So I'm going to use it as tow, which are shorter fibers. They're kind of the leftovers. And then this is the premium. This is what I'm looking for. This is long line flax. And you can see I made just a little braid. It's already coming out of its braid, but just to manage it so it doesn't snarl on itself. This will be ready for the distaff. So I just wanted to show you, this is the final product when you're doing long line flax. From here to here to here to there. So I just want to show you today that process. This has been a lovely week, and you gotta do what you can while the sun shines. So I think I'm ready to spin for this winter. So that's it today for Spinning the Past.